Today here at Tire World, we're going to do an alignment four-wheel with Hunter's newest technology in four-wheel alignments. One of the first steps in properly doing an alignment is adjusting air pressure. If you're not sure of air pressure settings, you can always look inside of your door jamb and find all of the proper recommended pounds per square inch front and rear. You can also find tire size. Step one in checking your alignment. Hold on. After the technician rolled the vehicle and performed a caster sweep, he found that the toe on the right front was off. So that's where the focus is going to be today. Everything else looked good on this car, and the adjustment will be made. So here you can see that the toe on the right front wheel is out, and what David's going to do is adjust the right front inner tie rod and bring the spec back into green. So now he's in green, and what he wants to do is he's going to get it as close to the center line as possible, ensuring a good straight alignment on the toe. After making all of his adjustments, as you can see, all areas, camber, caster, and toe, front and rear, are green, meaning a good alignment. And now at this point, we can offer the customer a printout of all of their readings once the alignment's done, and this car should go down the road nice and straight, ensuring good, proper tire wear.